Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to talk about what happened in KwaMseleku. On Friday, because today it's Sunday, early in the morning, there was a man who enters KwaMseleku carrying a gun, shouting, Musa Mseleku, siphi lesi sigebengu. Unfortunately, Musa, he was not around on that time. He knew that Musa had some other wives. He was with Umacela because that man enters KwaMayeni. When Mpumelelo saw this man, he rushed inside the house and took their gun and shot that man. Remember, Mpumelelo have a security company called Sibindi Security Services. Sibindi uyabulala, Sibindi uyaphilisa. That's what Mpumelelo did. He shot that intruder 4 times while he was trying to jump over the gate. I wonder how this man enters because we find out he jumped over the gate. Hey, and this intruder was Samke's Kwela neighbor. Samke, Samke, we know that Samke is Musa, wife number 5. Pumelelo saved his father life allegedly. Pumelelo is very young for this situation that happened for now. Nothing came to KwaMseleku family. Yeah, it's hard, guys. It's hard. I can't even explain how hard it is. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button.